audience and target speaker in particular. Never forget to smile. And this is what she made use of. She brilliantly walked onto the stage, smiling, and before starting a motivational speech, the best part I liked about you was you already took all the audience into a comfort zone where they were willing to listen to what you were ready to talk about. Now, I would divide my evaluation into three sections: the good usages, the areas of improvement, and the areas which were good but could be a little more better in a way where nobody could point it out for you in the upcoming speeches. So to start with, the best part you did was you smiled and started with a question, which was asked and was supposed to be for all the audience. And then you continued with the dialogue of Bhagwan. And smile again was your weapon here. The best part was when you used the example of the jar in your speech. Now coming to the areas where you could have made a little bit of improvements, where the pauses that you used in the beginning of your speech. Now, in coming to the content of the speech and the organization, there is one suggestion that I would like to make, and that is that there was a touch of Alok Nath specific method in the speech that you mentioned. Say for example, if the same thing is done by Alok Nath or by Amitabh Bachchan, there is a difference. The difference here is that the other person, Amitabh Bachchan, might have taken up a more serious note there than just taking up the emotional portion. And that is what was the one thing that I felt in your speech. So going forward for a motivational speech, what I would suggest is you could have a strategy where you would have the emotional sections as well as content-wise sections, which would help the audience to make believe and trust in what you are trying to convey. Now coming to the stage coverings, initially you had a very good stage coverage when you started walking from this part of the stage to the end there. But in between the speech, I felt that there was a time where you clasped your hands and were a little nervous. And that is when you stopped covering your speech. And the smile also faded away for a few minutes. But then you recovered very soon and you started off again with the same enthusiasm. Now, the usage of the word well was done a couple of times, more than some 5-6 times during the speech, maybe because of the practice issues, but you ended at a good note. The only thing I would suggest is that you could have ended at a higher enthusiasm level. Over to you.
We'll now take a minute to fill the balance sheets.